Another contest in the books from Trade Ideas. This one was a short only challenge and super fun to watch. We were streaming for the last hour, going play by play. It was so interesting that Oliver here, our first place winner, just sat there. Lazar, who took the day off, ended up in second place because everyone was trying to catch up to Oliver so hard they blew up a lot of their accounts. So it's a fun, very interesting watch as these traders are trying to navigate an up market only being able to short. So two stocks that everyone was playing. This LVTX was the money maker for a lot. If we go into an intraday chart, you can see big push up in the morning, smash down in the afternoon. Also, Kodak. This was one that people were playing near the end of the day where it had this big spike out of nowhere that was caught by the Trade Ideas scanner. A lot of people were top picking this around $6 or so. For more of this content, make sure you go to trade-ideas.com.